So first we are going to open our Lightroom CC mobile. You need to have your presets downloaded on your phone already. So first thing we're going to do is create an album. It's really easy to use the presets on mobile, so just watch. First we will name this album Nature Lover Presets Mobile Pack, and then OK. Now we have our album created. Then we will tap on it to open, and we are going to add photos by tapping this button down from camera roll, because I have my presets already downloaded on my camera roll and they are looking just like that. They are those DNG files that we're going to select. They have to be 11. My presets are 11, so we're going to just select all of them and add 11 photos. Then they will going to transfer here all of them. We're going to basically copy the settings and paste them to your photos. It's really easy, and now I'm going to show you how it's gonna work. Just wait for the presets to upload to your phone. And just a few more. 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, we already have them. So now I'm gonna upload JPEG files from, again, camera roll. I have some here. For example, let me upload those here. And I'm gonna add these 8 photos to my Lightroom. So here we have all the photos together with the presets, but we have the presets in separate folders, so it's okay. So here I'm gonna pick one of those photos and I'm gonna apply my preset on it, so you can see how easy it's gonna work with this photo. For example, I'm choosing this preset. So now I have to tap on the 3 dots in the right up corner here. Then we just literally tap on copy settings, but please don't copy the crop, because sometimes it's ticked also the crop. But if you don't want to crop your photo the way I crop mine, just don't select this option, and we just hit OK. And then we just go to our photo, the original one without a preset. It is JPEG format, so now we click again on the 3 dots in the circle and then literally just click on paste settings, and we have it already edited with our Nature Lover preset, one of them. And then I'm gonna just show you quickly on another photo that's working perfectly and it's so easy to apply. For example, this Perfect Sunny Nature Greens preset. Okay, let me get into the folder with the presets. I'm choosing this preset, Perfect Sunny Nature Greens, and then click on the 3 dots, copy settings, all of the settings. All right, then go back to all photos, and I'm choosing the not edited photo. Then click on the 3 dots, paste settings, and we have it. That's all. It's super easy and super quick to apply my presets and use them on your mobile phone. There are 11 presets. All of them are here, the same like the desktop presets, but specially made to work on your mobile, and it's totally free to use them on your Lightroom CC app. You can log in with your Facebook app. There is no problem at all. That's it from me now, and have fun with those presets. Bye!